Number 1, vibrant city living. Number 2, peaceful coastal charm. Or number 3, the tranquil Portuguese countryside. Which would you pick? Well, if you're considering buying a home in Portugal with a €500,000 budget, the choice is yours for the taking. You're in a great position to find a wonderful home that suits your lifestyle and your preferences. Portugal's property market offers a wide range of options at this budget, depending on where you look and what you want. From historic neighbourhoods to seaside towns, €500,000 opens up a lot of doors. So stay tuned as we jump right into the best places to find gorgeous properties for $500,000. We really couldn't start anywhere else. The capital of the moment, Lisbon. Packed full of history and bursting with culture and attitude, the vibrant city of Lisbon is one of the priciest places in Portugal, due, of course, to so many people wanting to live here. But with €500,000, you should be able to find a lovely property. Neighbourhoods such as Graça, Arroios and Penha de França could be good options, while Benfica and Beato offer more affordable properties as well. Many of the neighbourhoods that will fit a $500,000 budget are those with a local character and where you can get a feel of the real vibrancy of the capital. You might find that some of the properties need a bit of TLC, but with a little vision, these spots offer a genuine slice of Lisbon life. Cafes, parks, and easy access to the best of the city. Now we're journeying west from Lisbon, about a 30-minute drive away to Cascais. Yes, you've probably heard of this stunning seaside town that has become one of the established players for luxury real estate in all of Europe. However, if you buy a little out of town or away from the coast, you should also be able to find a charming apartment for around $500,000. For lifestyle buyers on the hunt for top restaurants and easy access to some of the best beaches in the country, you'll be spoilt for choice. Other top reasons to consider Cascais include its strategic location close to Lisbon and Sintra, with its terrific natural landscapes and magical palaces, many excellent international schools, and access to world-class golf courses. Next, we're heading north to Porto, Portugal's second largest city, more affordable than Lisbon, but holding its own special charm. Here, your $500,000 will stretch a bit further. While properties close to the Douro River in the city will fetch higher prices, you'll be able to find charming modern apartments with this price range. Outside of Porto, northern Portugal's appeal goes far beyond its affordability, yet you'll be pleasantly surprised by what you can get for $500,000 here. With a milder climate compared to southern Portugal, you'll find stunning natural landscapes such as the Douro Valley and the Peneda Gerês National Park, historic cities such as Braga, and some of the best food in the country. On the opposite end of Portugal, in the very south, the Algarve is famous for its beaches and expat community, but it's a real mixed bag price-wise. Your budget won't stretch far in hotspots like Vila Moura or Albufeira, but inland towns like Alcatim, Algesur or Monchique offer charming homes, often with a lot of land or even pools. These areas are becoming increasingly popular as more international buyers and expats are realising their potential. If you want the Algarve lifestyle, but with more space and less touristic buzz, these towns really do deserve your attention. Next, the Silver Coast, which is one of the most affordable places to snap up stunning coastal property in Europe. Places like Nazaré, Peniche and Caldas de Rainha offer beautiful coastlines, dramatic landscapes, vibrant local culture and surprisingly affordable properties. With $500,000 here you can find larger apartments or even houses with gardens close to the beach. Just keep in mind, amenities vary, so make sure to visit to see if the place is right for you. Also, spend time in each town on the Silver Coast to see which you can realistically see yourself living in. Each town will have its unique vibe and traditions, whether it's the sheer dramatic beauty of Nazaré or the friendly expat community and the iconic whitewashed houses with the blue facades that you'll find in Ericeira. Aveiro to the north could also be a smart move. Known as the Venice of Portugal, the similarities need to be seen to be believed, with the calm canals and colourful Montecero boats drifting by. Elsewhere in central Portugal, but more inland, towns like Coimbra and Tomar could be top locations to consider, where your money is sure to take you a lot further. Ideal if you want authentic Portuguese living in a slower, more relaxed environment. $500,000 can go a long way in Portugal, but what it gets you depends on where you want to be and how you want to live your life. Lisbon and Cascais offer vibrant city and coastal lifestyles, though properties tend to be more expensive here than in other parts of Portugal. In Porto and the north, your budget's going to stretch further, offering more space and a slower pace. The Silver Coast blends seaside living with good value, and the Algarve has hidden gems away from the tourist hotspots. Otherwise, Central Portugal is ideal if you're after space, nature, and peace. So, if you're wondering which location matches your lifestyle preferences, we're here and happy to help you kickstart your buying journey in Portugal. You can get in touch with us via the link below, and we'll see you next time.